Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I make my Mexican rice. There are different ways to make it, but I'm gonna teach you the easiest way, okay? So you're going to need tomato sauce, okay? Corn oil. You wanna use corn oil just because if you use vegetable oil or olive oil, the rice just isn't fried the same, okay? You're going to need rice, chicken flavor seasoning. You can find this at Walmart, Target, any place like that. Onion powder or minced onion will work. Minced garlic or garlic powder will work, okay? So I already kind of did this ahead of time, but you always want to rinse your rice, okay? So I already rinsed it. What I do is I put the lid over it once I put water in it, dump it out, get all the water out, and then that's when you'll get this, okay? My mom has always said to wash your rice before you put it to fry, okay? So that's exactly what I did. I already started the frying pan, so now I'm gonna get a 1/4 cup of that corn oil, okay? And I'm going to put it on the pan. You don't want to put all of it, but I'm just going to put about half of it for now, okay? So I used half of a 1/4 cup. Okay? And I'm going to start letting that kind of warm up. You don't want to put your rice on there until that oil warms up. So what I do is I kind of grab a little piece and toss it in there. And if it starts sizzling, that means the rest of the rice is ready to go in there. You hear it sizzling a little bit, so I'm gonna dump that all in there. So if you're going to stand here and watch your rice, you can turn up the heat. So right now I have it at about a 4. But if you're gonna walk away, you want to lower the, I was gonna say volume. You want to lower the temperature. So you also don't want it popping at you. Okay, so this oil, the half of the 1/4 cup, actually looks like it's a good ratio. You don't want to make it too oily. Sorry. There we go. So you don't want to make it too oily, so I'm just going to keep turning it, and you want it like a nice golden color. I kind of like the color that the rice is now, so I'm going to go ahead and add the tomato. So my 1/2 cup tomato, I'm gonna add that, okay? So, and you're gonna hear it sizzling, okay? So don't be alarmed, it's supposed to sizzle. Okay. You can turn down the heat. So you want to do this for about 3 minutes, okay? Keep kind of moving it so your rice doesn't burn, because then it'll ruin your pan and your rice. So you really want to pay attention to your rice, okay? Okay, so I already pre-put some water in here. So here's 1 cup of water for the 1 cup of rice, okay? I'm gonna grab 1 more cup. Remember, you need 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. And if you make 2 cups of rice, you're going to need 4 cups of water, sorry. 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn up the heat. I had it on low. Now this is when you add your seasoning. I keep pulling out my glasses, I'm sorry. Okay, so season to taste, okay? Season to taste, okay? I just kind of sprinkle it on there, no big deal. Now I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon, okay, for this seasoning. This seasoning is amazing, okay? Now that it's boiling, I'm gonna give this just 1 more turn. You don't have to, this is just kind of my ritual there. And now I'm gonna I have the heat at like 4 to 5 right now. You always wanna turn it down to 2. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so I will show you what the rice looks like in 20 minutes. Okay. All right, guys, so the 20-minute timer is up and the rice is done. So here is the finished product. So it is normal to see that ring of orange around it and the center to be lighter, okay? So this is what that looks like. Am I getting a good view here? Okay, so that is it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any post notifications. Bye.